This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Got to keep on dancing. I love that heat wave. Wow, wow, heat wave. We brought this guy over from England for you on public television. Now we need you to do us a favor. Go to the phone, join us as a member so we can make more great programs like this and everything you see on your PBS station. That was an example of bonus footage you won't see over